What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chemaka Okebu. If you're joining us for the first time, you're very much welcome. We are a community of entrepreneurs and business owners, and sometimes I bring you hair and I bring you makeup. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So today I'm gonna be bringing you admin task for your business. So you've started a business, you have vendors, you've already decided you want to start. What are the basic, really basic admin tasks you need to know, step-by-step approach? I'll bring it to you. Just stick with me. So first things first, you need to register your business as maybe a partnership, a corporation, whatever. You need to register your business and trademark your business name. Imagine putting in so much effort into your business and at the end of the day, someone comes and steals your work. I could vividly remember two makeup brands in Nigeria using black. One was very well established and the other just came in and used the same packaging, similar name tags, everything, color, and so when people go to the market, they do not realize the difference. Because you're in a haste, it's the same, you just rush and buy. When we get home, you realize it's different. It was a serious problem. And they lost a lot of customers to the new competitor. So you can trademark as far as your logo. Trademark everything. You do not want to work so hard and someone comes in and steals your work. You really want to do. Next is open a business account. Yes, you want to track your expenses and your income, right? So you need to open a business account for your business. Something where if a customer wants to pay money, you just send that account to them, not your personal account. It does not necessarily have to be a corporate account. It could be your personal account, but for your business, strictly for your business. People cannot send personal money to you through that account, strictly for your business. This is you treating your business as a separate legal entity. I'm going to do a separate video on that. If you can open a corporate account, that's awesome. However, you might just be starting and you might not know your way around it. You might not know what it entails, how they tax the accounts and all that. So you might want to consider your personal account while you dig deeper into how the business account goes. Next one is bookkeeping. You want to keep track of your expenses so you know how much you're losing, how much you're making, because so you don't run your business down. And one way you could do that, and an automated way of doing that, is you could use QuickBooks. QuickBooks is an app you could use to track your expenses. You could also link it to your account. I don't know if it works in Nigeria, I'm not sure, but I know it works in a lot of other countries, US, Canada, UK. Yes, it does work, and it's a paid application. If you do not have the money to use QuickBooks, you could do it manually. You could use Excel just to bring out income. So bookkeeping is all about income minus expenses, and then you've gotten it. That's all you need to know. Okay. Next, you need a business email. You do not necessarily need one with a domain name at, let's say, Hair by Candor or at Blossom Cakes. No, you do not necessarily need that. You could just do blossom@gmail.com. So you could use Gmail as the domain, or you could get one. I know you could get a domain name if that's what you want. It's okay, it's totally okay, but it's paid for. But Gmail is free. You need somewhere where people can reach you. WhatsApp is not enough, Instagram is not enough. You need a place where people can reach you, where you could conduct business depending on what you do. So I could have something like Hair by Candor. I have one, hairbykandor@gmail.com. My personal email, ukebuc@gmail.com. So these are, just to have an email, Gmail is the most popular, so you could just stick with Gmail. And it's free. It's totally free. You also need to plan for your content strategy. What do you want to do? How do you want to go about it? What platforms do you want to be present on? What platforms would not weigh you down? So you could consider YouTube, Gmail, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. There are a lot of them out there. You need to consider those platforms. WhatsApp is very important because that is where you have your people. Yeah. So you need to know how regularly you want to post so you don't get overwhelmed though. Do you need somebody to handle your Instagram account? Do you need somebody to handle all those accounts? Do you want to handle it yourself? So you're just starting, you do not have pictures, you could post inspirations, or you could create carousels or flyers and all that and put on your page. So you need to learn all those things. You need to decide what do you want to do and how do you want to do it so that you stay consistent. The next one is your online presence. So we've talked about the other ones, IG and all that. What about a website? Where can people reach you apart from, if Instagram goes down today, where else can I reach you? Have you listed your business on Google? Is your business on VConnect? There are a lot of them. Where else can I reach you? When I search online with search engine optimization and I'm like cakes in Iba, hairstylist in Atlanta, probably I just moved to US or I moved to Canada and I want to braid my hair and I'm like, okay, braids in, hairstylist in, African hairstyles in. Would I find you? Right, so you need a website, somewhere where people can meet you away from your comfort zone. That's it, guys. These are the simple admin tasks. I don't think I am missing anything. No, I'm not. I really do hope you consider all this and then you start out. It's not easy to start, but you have to start to actually start. Yeah. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love you people, and thank you so much for watching. A lovely day. My name is Chamaka. Bye.